Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Microsoft Power Automate Basics. My name is Vicki Drewa, and I've been training people to use Microsoft products for over 10 years. Power Automate is an app you can use to automate repetitive tasks to make your workflow more efficient, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 users who are new to Power Automate and are interested in automating workflows. We'll start with an overview of Power Automate and its purpose. Then we'll explore homepage options, identify types of flows, and create a flow from a template. Next, we'll work with automated cloud flows. We'll create an automated flow from scratch and edit and rename the flow. Then, we'll set up scheduled cloud flows and create instant cloud flows. We'll also use the mobile app to trigger and create instant flows. In our last section, we'll use the flow checker to find and correct errors, share a flow with others, and manage flows. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will know how to build workflows to automate business processes and tasks across Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams.